Hey, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Raina. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. So today, you guys, I am going to prank my dad. Yes, my dad. He is my first victim on my pranks. This is gonna be my first prank on my YouTube channel, and he is the first victim. So the prank that I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do two pranks in one. Yes, two pranks in one. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do two pranks in one. The first prank is gonna be Honk to get my dad mad. Shout out to my cousin Nathan, because he requested for me to do this prank like a long time ago, and I'm finally getting to it. Getting to it. And yeah, so but while we are in his vehicle, I'm also going to be doing the fart spray not challenge, but prank. And like, my dad's really like sensitive, he gets grossed out really easily, so this fool is about to get grossed out. Oh my god, hopefully I don't gross myself out, you know, but I'm gonna take one for my team, you know, take one for the team to do my prank. And yeah, so basically I called him. I was like, Dad, let's record a video today. He's like, well, what kind of video do you want to record? I'm like, I don't know. Just come over, we'll vlog for the day. Like, we'll vlog our day. Maybe we'll go to the store and buy food or get something to eat and do a mukbang. He's like, yeah, mija, I'm down for that. I could do that. I'm like, all right, cool. So you're going to be seeing me again when we get into, I think actually his car is broken right now. So he's like getting it fixed. He has like a Cadillac car or whatever, but something's wrong with the motor, so he's getting it fixed. And like the past couple days, he's been borrowing my aunt's truck. So we are gonna be in my aunt's truck, and I'm gonna be pranking him in there. And basically, you're gonna be seeing me doing another intro. Basically, when I get in the car, I'm gonna act like I'm vlogging like for the day, and I'm gonna say my intro or whatever. Or either I say my intro and act like we're vlogging in the car, or once he gets here, I don't know yet. We'll see which one I'm gonna do. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous and excited to do it, but I think I got this. Like, when he gets here, I'm gonna be like, ay, my stomach hurts, Dad, duele estómago. I don't know if I have gas, I don't know what it is, but it's some blah 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 blah. And then we're just gonna go from there, and I'm excited to bring y'all with me. So get ready for this epic motherfucking prank. You feel me? Get ready for it. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Peace. Hey, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Raina. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, dude, my stomach still really fucking hurts. Like, it's gonna keep turning. I'll put it like that. So my dad and I are here today just to vlog. So we're going to Walmart.
What do you want to do?
Well, Walmart's right there in 35th.
What do you want to get? What?
Oh, my stomach hurt.
Well, your stomach hurt? You can do shit.
Oh, God. Don't let my stomach go.
Well, go buy medicine instead.
Where's that? Walmart?
What do you want to get from Walmart?
I don't know. Where's my dad's truck? Don't fall. Don't fall. Did they honk at you?
They didn't preach there. Man, fucking bitch.
It ain't not a fucking thing.
Fucking raggedy ass bitch.
Don't say that. I can't put that up. What if like I'm vlogging and stuff? I want to edit it.
What do they have there?
They're what? They're honking at you?
Disrespect.
They honking at you.
Again?
Did you?
What the fuck is going on?
Why are they honking? They're probably trying to get somewhere. Look at. Oh, but my stomach does fucking hurt. I hope my wallet's in here. Oh, it is.
I need gas. What the fuck am I doing?
When I edit this video, oh, don't fall. When I edit this video, guys, it's gonna be a little bumpy, but it's still gonna be here. Where are you gonna go get gas at? forgetting we're on here.
You gonna record this? You gonna have this shit?
I could edit it out. I have a question. So if you could live in a day in one's life for one day, who would it be?
If you can't live in somebody's else life,
A day in someone's life, who would it be?
who would it be?
Yeah, how do you turn this down?
Charlie Sheen.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, that's
he has
my guy.
HIV, I think.
Oh well, he enjoyed that shit though.
Ugh, you're disgusting. Let me find out you're being a hoe, dude. Have you seen those videos of that?
Yeah, Charlie Sheen. He's the man.
I think I would choose Kanye West.
And El Bondi.
Oh hell no. You want to sell shoes for a living?
El Bondi. I'm good. My life is good. I mean, kind of.
Oh, my fucking stomach hurts. Life is good, you said?
Yeah, I mean, well, it's not the greatest, but got my beautiful babies.
I know, I'm the most beautifulest one.
I mean, it's hard. It's not the same, but I'm my other baby.
Yeah. I know, that crazy bitch. Should be on this YouTube with me to fucking shit up.
Yeah, here we go right now. Where are you, nigga? Fucking drinking.
Yeah, with your hoes. Oh god, my stomach. Oh, you know how like when you got the BGs and like cramps and like bubble guts? And like that, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you gonna go get gas at? We just went in a fucking full circle.
QT. QT and a half.
Where? QT where?
Good. Look at fucking all these powers.
QT where?
30 right here, 19 and Southern.
In Southern? Oh shit, that needs to be the meetup spot for parties, dude. Damn, we look good.
I look good. I don't know about you. See all the fall in love with this, like all these right
Probably
here.
why everybody's honking at you. Well, you're in a new car too, so like, not a new car, but like in a Yukon. I don't know how old this is. Probably like, dang, he fine. Honk honk. No?
I think a new one.
I know, but like, I'm just saying. Oh, well, you didn't get
No, I
honks
mean,
in your...
it's not the truck. It's right here. It's all right here,
Oh,
baby.
you think so?
It's all right here and all right here.
In your fat ass. Hey, but you didn't get honks in your Cadillac car?
I'll have to.
Then what you getting mad for if you're used to this shit?
Yeah, but I was like, this is my Cadillac. You know what I mean?
This is my Cadillac. Well, what happened to it?
There was a girl who threw me a fucking bra one time too.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Yeah, my bitch.
Let me find out you're telling me a lie, dude.
Don't pull the shit because you're just gonna get mad, you know. Hey.
See, they like you.
You better not put something in my fucking bag like honky.
I swear I didn't.
You fucking did.
Dad.
Man, you did.
No, I didn't.
Then why are you always fucking honking?
I don't know. Oh, dude, but my stomach's fucking hurting. I don't even think I want to eat anything. What the fuck? How am I gonna do that?
Do what?
Put us to fucking whatever you said. What am
I don't know. Why they want fucking people honking at me like fucking bullshit?
Because they probably trying to rush and you're in the fucking way. Who cares if people honk at you? Dude, my stomach hurts so fucking bad.
There's what
Turn the music up a little bit. What are we hearing?
Like something.
Oh, I like this. Oh, my phone's right there. Give me the half.
sign? Yeah, you feel rid of it? You got cramps?
No, I just farted.
Holy shit! What the fuck? Are you fucking serious?
Oh my god, I fucking stink.
Oh, hijo de la chingada. You're going bad inside. You fucking the full.
I got, oh my god, I got it from you.
You got podrida inside, man.
What does that mean?
Podrida? Like already bad, like expired. Wow, what is it? I don't know.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Oh, it smells like eggs. I'm telling you, I ate something. I think it's the crab legs that I've ate.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
It is fucking bad, man. Got me dizzy here. Holy shit.
Ow, it hurts. My stomach.
Oh, yeah, air freshener. Woo.
Dang, I'm farting over here on camera and shit. I'll edit it out. Oh, it hurts. Oh my god. I think I need to take a shit.
Oh, you're nasty.
I'm gonna, oh no. No, I'm good, I'm good. Cute. Oh, shit, I found- I know this is where we used to meet up to go to parties.
All these shit are busy.
Yeah, it's the south side for you.
The fuck is going on over here? ¿Qué señor que se me la llevo a la verga?
My stomach hurts. Fuck. He's putting gas and he's gonna fuck it up. He's reading the sign. He's reading the sign.
You fucking did, you fucker. I knew it. You fucking ass.
Why are you trying to put gas in?
I knew it. What the fuck?
Oh, you don't make me laugh. My stomach
Fucking
hurts.
stupid.
Matt,
Why you want to do that?
fuck. I tried to do 2 in 1. It didn't work. I'm gonna spray it again. Dude. It fucking stinks really bad. I'm gonna spray it by hand. He freaking saw the freaking sign. That's freaking BS, dude. Stand up, it's not funny. My stomach hurts.
Pull the inside, man. This is bad.
Oh, it is. Oh my god, it is. I think I'm gonna shit. I need to.
Puta madre, man.
Oh, like it hurts. Like it's tiny right here.
You got shit? Have you shit yet?
I've been constipated for a couple days.
Ah, pues igual. Puta madre, man.
Oh, can we go to the store and get something for my stomach?
You have to take a shit.
But I need something. I need to take like Pepto-Bismol. I'm about to turn this fucking camera off. I can't believe you saw this sign. I was like, oh shit, he wants to get gas. And I'm like, where do you want to get gas at? It's not that bad. It's like a fucking regular ass fart.
No, this shit's bad. My eyes, they're burning and keep me headache. I'm dizzy. You give me the fucking coronavirus where you fucking far ass. Far ass and shit.
What's it called? Should I get Pepto-Bismol?
You need to get something. You got fucking what do you call it? Fucking shit. They're making shit. To lose your stomach.
Oh my god, my stomach. We're gonna have to vlog like this for the rest of the day. How about you hold it? My stomach hurts.
A la verga.
See, it's hard.
A la verga.
I left my lip gloss.
Que estamos en México, la verga. Well, we're in Rocky Point. Psych! We're here at Walgreens to buy something for my daughter's farts. They're fucking bad. They
Didn't stink that bad. Oh god, didn't stink that. Dad, I think I pooped my pants.
You did? Yeah, shit. You didn't shit your pants? You did? Oh, you're nasty.
I farted, but it felt different. Don't fuck me.
This nigga, she shit her pants.
No, check for me.
Oh, let me see it right there. Look, check. Yeah, you did. Well, no, pues let's go to the house. You're sick, mama. You need to get something. Yeah, you can see through.
I think I need something rotten.
Oh, you got poison.
No wonder I didn't when I got off the phone with you. When I got off the phone with you, don't eat angry crab on 28th Street. When I got off the phone with you, dude, my stomach started hurting even more. And then I couldn't poop because I've been constipated. And it hurts like right here, like if I had a lot of gas holding it in. I can't believe I fucking shit my pants. Man, I'm sad this didn't work.
Oh, well. Next time, people. My baby's sick. Her pants hurts and she's farting nasty and ugly. Like, oh, like, I'm gonna make me throw up. Well, I throw up.
You didn't
And
throw up.
she just checked her pants. You did. Nigga, you didn't go check your fucking underwear because.
Oh my god. I don't know what it
No, you didn't go to fucking Walmart. You go shit in
I
the
would
Walmart.
have shit in the fucking store. I would have fucking shit in the store.
Man, baby, like big old fucking spider around the showing that fucking shit. Because you're wearing gray, that'll be like big old sayota right there. Like, she just shit her pants.
I did shit my
You better
pants.
clean my see you too. See you too. So.
You think she would get mad?
You better walk that way. The neighbors.
Oh my god.
Walk that way.
This is the sign I put on my dad's truck. How do you feel about that?
You're stupid, first of all. Why you putting this shit?
Because it was a prank.
Well, yeah, but people fucking hugging like stupid. They're fucking stupid. I thought, was like, man, what's wrong with this?
They're
fucking
trying to.
thing?
What if they're trying to holler at you?
Was what I was out. I was thinking the first. What's wrong with that? I'm going too slow. What the fuck? Oh, these motherfuckers, they're in a hurry. They need to use the restroom. And,
Probably. No.
Finally, that was you that needed the fucking restroom.
I did neither. Oh my god. So our plans failed.
Let me show you.
Hold on.
Look at, this is what happened when you eat too much anger crap.
You can't turn it around.
Holy shit. Okay. Oh man, that's fantastic.
I'm gonna wipe my ass on you.
No, better not. Get the fuck out of there.
What happened? Hold the camera. Don't put my mom on the camera. Hold it on
Where
you.
you at? Look at this one.
Honestly, my stomach hurt. Don't laugh at me.
Raina, you shit your pants again.
Again?
That was like a week ago. But
You-
that one I wasn't really sick. Oh, it hurts like right here. Look.
She shit her pants. She's sick.
Well, we're trying to go. I know my stomach was hurting.
So how you wanna eat something if you're sick?
I didn't know.
You better go shit and take a shower and take something. Crazy.
I did, huh?
Really was mad, and what the fuck? And then people are like, what the fuck is this fucking shit? I'm going too slow, you know, fucking there in a hurry, what the fuck?
That's what you get.
And this nigga put a fucking... Fam, do not eat angry crab because you will shit in your pants. You will shit in your pants. Yep. How do you use it better? Oh.
That howl is better?
She ate
okay.
angry crab and she got how to use it.
Don't make me laugh. I'm gonna fart. That's fucked up.
Oh man, you stink, girl.
Does it stink still?
Yeah, you just fucking fart. It's fucking bad. She farted in the truck. Bad. It's nasty. It's bad. Like, smell it.
That's what you get.
Oh man, can you smell it?
That's what you get.
That's what hot and juicy is for your ass.
Oh man, get away. That's just bad. You need.
I'm over here walking with shit ass.
Well, go take a shower. Get the shower, take some pants to be doing something. Oh.
Well, let's tell them bye then.
Todos los problemas que traen y van a...
Quit looking at my ass.
Oh, you got a big old pinche sellote right there, like.
Oh, hold on. Let's use some. Look, come over here in the kitchen. Let's tell them bye.
See you guys later.
So, Dad.
That was an emergency.
Dad. I have something.
It's worse than coronavirus over here.
Dad. I have something to tell you.
What?
Hold on, look. I found something for you.
What is it? You fucking son of a bitch!
Hey!
You fucking stupid ass!
It's a prank!
Holy fucking... Are you fucking serious? Yeah! It's just bad! So it's just fake shit too?
It's chocolate. Chocolate mixed with water.
What the fuck? What the fuck's wrong with you? It's stupid.
That's why I've been calling you since last week to come do a video. How do you
Let me
feel?
see. It looks like real shit.
I don't want to put just chocolate. I wanted to mix it with water.
And I was worried. And I shake the seed. I said, why does she say nothing in there?
Cause it's in my ass, not my.
Oh man, this fucking it. Oh man, this shit stinks bad.
Hey, Dad, open the door.
You just sprayed it right now?
How do you feel?
You got me good, nigga. Fuck, oh shit, but you got me good. This nigga, I'll get you next time. It's gonna be work.
Prank wars.
I'm just gonna, and that,
I see the camera.
it's going to be a real shit, not this shit.
Woo! Got him.
Good job, Mama.
Woo!
No, don't spray, mama. This shit's bad. Man, this shit's...
Did you really think I was sick?
Yeah, I'm sure to God. I thought I was already trying to take you to the fucking hospital or something. Fucking do a fucking lavativa, clean your fucking stomach from inside your house and shit.
Oh shit. So yeah, that was 2 pranks in 1 yawn. It was a success. The first one was alright because he stopped to get fucking gas. And he's seen the sign. But we got quite a few honks. And then of course the second one, fart spray. It was a fucking success. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and your girl will be back with some more videos. Peace.